Hey there, VIP Cosmetics. Quick question. You're already doing solid on Amazon, but are you capturing as much market share as you could be? My name is Gabe from My Amazon Guy, and I was reviewing your sexy wood stuff nude shimmer lipstick listing, and I noticed few opportunities to help you grow. Right now, you're doing about that's $120 in a 30-day revenue with 10 units sold and a 4-star rating. So you're still in the early stage with a lot of room to scale. Now, let's look into your keyword distribution here. First off, here at My Amazon Guy, we usually aim for what we call 1 is to 2 golden keyword ratio, which means for every one paid keyword, we want about 2 organic keywords supporting it. Right now, you're sitting at around 383 organic keywords and one paid keyword. So, what that tells me is you're barely running ads and your organic keyword coverage is still pretty limited. And since you're under 1,000 organic keywords, this is where keyword gap analysis can unlock a lot of growth pretty quickly. So that's one of the services that we are offering, right? Now, if you look into the market here based on the search volumes, one thing that caught our attention is this nude lipstick. This has a strong demand, and this category is highly competitive with consistent search volume. And remember, this is just one keyword. It's getting about 13,000 searches per month. Now, if you look deep into this keyword, this nude lipstick has a $12.2 million dollars as a total revenue and $176,000 as an average revenue. And you can see here that other listings and sellers are generating a good amount of monthly revenue here, right? So clearly there's traffic there. The question is, how can we get more of that traffic, right? Now, I want to show you something interesting. I pulled up a competitor here, not to compare your products, okay? Because these aren't identical products. You guys have different shades and finishes, but I just want to show you how they approach their keyword strategy. You can see that they have 761 organic keywords and over 3,000 paid keywords. Now, with word frequency as well, these are the top keywords that your competitors are using. So, I can send this one to you for free once we jump on a quick call. All right, that will be a free consultation call. And imagine having access to the top keywords of the top competitors. So clearly, there are opportunities there. Now, top listings here are ranking high organically and heavily supported with ads, which is how they dominate visibility. Right now, you're only sitting at rank 153 organically and barely showing up in ads. So you're not capturing much of the traffic. And this is where the opportunity is. For this keyword, since you currently rank 153, organically, this is just outside the strike zone, right? Which is typically between positions from 20 to 100. So any keywords of yours that are between 20 to 100, the goal here will be pushed into the top 100 first, then into the top 20, eventually into the top 10 or top 5. Because once you get to that rank, then your visibility increases, right? Your click through rate improves and you rely less on ads over time. Adding more consistent sponsored support will help you break into the strike zone faster. Now, looking into your listing here, you do have a 6.3 health score. We could discuss the reasons behind that one, like your images. We could add some stronger shade visuals, before and after looks, texture swatches, and lifestyle makeup shots will help improve conversion. We could also include a product video to increase engagement. And with your title and bullet points should be better optimized around high volume keywords like nude lipstick to improve indexing and ranking. At the same time, I do not see any A plus content here, which is a big missed opportunity. A plus content would look like something like this one. We could even add some alt text like this for better conversion. So we could be adding around 500 to 1,000 words of optimized copy plus modules to improve both SEO and conversion. Now, here at my Amazon Guy, we manage over 400 brands and millions in monthly ad spend. For your listing specifically, we'd like to focus on increasing paid keyword support, improving your ranking on high traffic keywords, and boosting overall visibility and helping you capture more of the traffic that is already in your market. And again, I'll also be happy to send you those top keywords of your competitor when we jump on a quick call. So if you found this video helpful, you want to know more about our services, go ahead and click the link below and let's walk through these opportunities together. You will be speaking with our experts, our executives, to know more about the services and to walk through it with the opportunities.